Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll do some try to get on some yellow perch. This pond, I've seen them that I'm fishing today. You've seen this pond before in a couple of years where I had my giant or my really good pickerel day, and we may even get on some good pickerel today too as well. But I kind of want to assess this pond. I've seen some pretty good bluegills in here. I've seen some good perch too as well. So we're gonna throw a small jig around. I actually may throw a Senko around first, just to see what's kind of stirring up there. Wouldn't even mind getting a bass since I haven't got one yet this year. But anyway, with further ado, let's get the rods rigged up. Probably gonna throw a trout magnet around, probably a small Rapala and a little inline spinner. All right guys, let's get on it. All right guys, so I decided I'm not going to throw the Senko. I think it's still too cold. The water's still too cold for Senkos and stuff. So what I'm throwing now is this little Thomas 1/16 ounce gold and silver bladed inline spinner. Let's see if we get on some panfish here, possibly a pickerel bite. We're using a Shakespeare Micro Series. This is actually one of my favorite cheap rods. If you're ever looking for an ultralight rod and you want something super cheap, 16 bucks at Walmart. This is a light action 4 to 10 pound test line and 7-footer. You can really reach out and get to good spots with this rod. So we'll just go throw this inline spinner around and see what we can produce. Inline spinner, I don't know if that was a hit or if I'm just tipping the weeds. Trying to get a few hours of fishing in before the rain comes. It's been raining here for like the last 2 or 3 days. Cleared up a little bit this morning. I'm finally on vacation from work. I don't even know if these fish are gonna bite. So, didn't forget the thumb screw from my GoPro, which is nice. And sorry about the wind. I want to come out here and catfish too one day. Weeds. There's a fish. Not sure what it is, but it's a fish. Crappie? Yeah, it's a crappie. Heck yeah, I didn't know they were in this pond. Now, that's a good one. That's a good crappie. Nice. Put that on the inline spinner, suckers. Then in its gullet. Heck yeah. Alright guys, we're back. Got a nice little crab. Got a little blood. He was stuck in the tongue there, so we'll go ahead and release him. Nice. Didn't even know there was crappie in here. That was awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There's a fish. Feels good too. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it feels good. Oh man, coming up. Oh, it's a big pickerel. Big pickerel. Let's hope he doesn't break the 6 pound test line. Oh, good fish. Oh, Oh, it feels amazing on this ultralight rod. Ooh, it's a good pickerel. Look at the size of that thing. Hope we don't lose him. That's a good pickerel. Wow! Look at that fish. That's a good pickerel, guys. Look at that. Oh, just hooked in the corner of the mouth. Big pickerel. Nice fish. I think that's what's been out there biting my line. That's a good pickerel. That's the biggest one I've caught in a long time. Oh well. Be gone, my friend. I need to figure out what it is. Now you turn around. Alright, that was cool. Let's go ahead and check that line, make sure it's not frayed. That was a good fish. That was a good pickerel. Line feels good. Let's get back out there. Wind kind of died off too a little bit. Alright, good fish. Kind of funny. And I've actually had them blow up on my spinner. I don't know what happened there. These pickerel are biting funny. Like they're biting, but they're running at me so fast that I can't catch up. I need a little bit faster reel maybe. I don't know. Whatever it is, I can see them boiling out there. I don't know if they're chasing bait fish. There's a fish. Oh, it feels good. Whatever it is. Oh, maybe another pickerel. Looks like it. Holy crap! It's a giant. It's another giant pickerel. Oh, he's fucking grinding down there. Another giant. Come on over here, buddy. I ain't ready yet. I need to get out of the weeds, though. Can you get out of there for me? I don't want you to... There you go. I think this one's even bigger than the last one. Look how thick this boy is. Oh. That is a mondo giant pickerel on that Thomas spinner. Get that off of there. Heck yeah. That one's even bigger than the last one, guys. Oh, giant chain pickerel. You can see in that mouth, full of teeth. Nice fish. See if I can get a picture with this one. All right, we're back. That was a good pickerel. Get some more. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the weather. You guys just see that? Fish just hit the surface. I don't know what the heck it was chasing, but it blew up right in front of me. That was nuts. There we go. Oh, he hit it right there when I stopped reeling it. Might be another pickerel. It feels like another good fish. Smoked it when I stopped it. Jesus. What is another big giant pickerel? This one I might have to go back to check the pliers. This one even bigger than the last one. And we're definitely gonna have to retie because he's got that bone right now. Dropped it in his mouth. Guys, oh, he broke off. Dude, he's even bigger than the last one. Look at the size of that. These are the biggest pickerel I've ever caught, ever. Monsters. All right, let's get him back to the truck. I gotta get the pliers, get him out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, had to retie after that one. He had to bait a little bit down in his gullet, and their teeth are super sharp, so I had to retie. So, fish a little bit longer. That's 3 big pickerel, and then that one crappie this one earlier. So, let's see what else we can get here. They're stacked up in this one corner. I don't know if they're chasing bait fish or what is going on, but either way, we're on them. That one fish tore me up pretty bad. And I'm only using 6-pound test line. I didn't bring anything bigger. Honestly, I should be using a little bit bigger spinner probably, and a probably like 8-pound test line, really. But it's okay. Fish a little longer, and then we'll get out of here. I don't want to bring them up over the bridge since I'm using just a light line. Got no fish at the edge here. Pretty shallow over here. Oh, I seen him come up and hit it. Doesn't feel as big as the last couple pickerel, but definitely a little bit smaller fish. I saw him. The water's not that deep over here. I saw him wake and chase the bait right up. A little bit smaller fish. All right. He got that down there in his throat. And if you see that blood, that's my blood, not theirs. I got my hand cut up on that last one pretty good. All right, guys, one more look at that little one. I'll go ahead and send him back. Ugh, they're so slimy. They do not like to be held. But there he goes. All right, so this is really not expected. I really thought I was going to get on some panfish and possibly bluegills and stuff, but hey, I'll take an insane pickerel bite. Right back over here where I caught those bigger ones. I was really hoping that those crappie were going to still be around. I wouldn't mind 1 or 2 more of those. I'm really surprised no perch or anything like that has come up and slammed this spinner. I don't know if that was a bite or not. There's a fish. Another big pickerel. Oh. Dang, guys. This pickerel are no joke the way they're grinding to the bottom. The meatheads on these things are huge. Just one after another big jumbo pickerel. And it's crazy because last time I was here there wasn't this many big ones. There's a lot of little ones, but I think because the water's still cool, the big ones are biting. So alright, let me get them unhooked and I'll be back. Alright guys, one last look at that big pickerel. Oh, you see them teeth on them things, just straight up nastiness. Alright, let's get him back in for that release. There he goes. This slimy fish. And he's gone. Alright, looks like the rain is picking up again. Let's check this line. I think I'm gonna get a couple more casts in, and then we're gonna bounce. So, very productive day. Swan's getting a little too close for comfort. That was a horrible cast. I hit the bushes right behind me. So overall, 2 smaller pickerel and couple good big ones. I don't know if that was just a fish that just hit or the way my bait was just flashing. We gotta fix this swivel. All right. Another tiny snot rocket. You can see the size comparison of these things. These ones are real tiny compared to there's a couple of bigger ones I got. He hit real close to the bank. A lot of times what happens is these fish will follow the baits in and they'll sit right here in front of me and I won't even be able to see them because the water's so dark because I don't have my glasses and it's not very sunny out. And they'll actually smoke the bait like really close to the shoreline and they can sure give you a heart attack. My line's all twisted on my rod. I see a lot of those little ones are what I was catching last time I was here. Yeah, this thing's a little twisted up here. I don't know how that happened, but weird about the face. I'm telling you, this little $16 rod from Shakespeare, they're doing a trick. I mean, these fish are 2 pounds at the most, and it's handling them no problem. Yeah, it's raining pretty good now, guys. Let's make one more cast and we are done for the day. And this corner's been pretty hot today. I didn't have to move around, which is nice. All right, guys, I think that's gonna do it. Rain's starting to come in. I'm getting hungry, but yeah, guys, that was a really fun bite today. I really did not expect it to go the way it did. I was really expecting to catch, you know, smaller fish, but 6 pickerel, I think maybe 7, I don't remember, but at least 4 that were well over 2 pounds, I think. But yeah, and every one of them swim away healthy, safe. I want to do a catch and cook on a pickerel though. I haven't had pickerel in a while, but I gotta watch. Sometimes pickerel can be really high in some chemicals, so, but they are sure fun fish. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the love and the support, and make sure you guys get out in the water and do what you love. Peace.